Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize ClickUp to schedule SEO content workflows. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your browser and navigate to the ClickUp website. Log in to your ClickUp account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the left sidebar. Click on the Integrations option in the sidebar menu. In the Integrations page, scroll down until you find the SEO Tools section. Look for the option to authorize your preferred SEO tool. Click on the Authorization button next to the tool you want to connect. A new window will pop up requesting your SEO tool credentials. Enter your username and password for the SEO tool. Once you've entered your credentials, click on the Authorize button. Wait for the connection process to complete. You will be redirected back to ClickUp once authorization is successful. Next, navigate to the Tasks section in ClickUp. Create a new task for your SEO content workflow. In the Task menu, find the option to link your SEO tool. Select the relevant SEO project or campaign that matches your workflow. Make sure to assign this task to the appropriate team members. Set deadlines for each stage of your SEO content process. Add attachments or notes that might be necessary for the workflow. To schedule your task, click on the calendar icon in the task view. Choose the date and time for your SEO content workflow. Finally, hit the Save button to confirm the scheduling. Your ClickUp account is now fully set up to manage and schedule SEO content workflows. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.